got a reggae beat. You do it in the bath while you wash your hands and feet. Get in the tub, hold your ducky in your lap, tap your toes while you scrub in the water from the tap. And do the duck, rubber duck, duck, rubber duck, rubber duck, 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 rubber duck, duck, rubber duck, rubber duck, duck. Come on, everybody, try. Don't be left high and dry. As you keep on getting wetter, you'll be feeling so much better. You'll be left without a care, and you can even wash your hair. It will have a healthy sheen. Yeah, you'll be squeaky clean. And do the duck, rubber duck, duck, rubber duck, rubber duck, 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 rubber duck, duck, rubber duck, rubber duck, duck.
Don't get soap in your eye, cause that'll make you cry.
Hey, all you grouches sing. Yeah, make the bathtub ring.
Everybody knows. Scrub your flippers and your toes.
And while you wash away your troubles, don't forget to count the bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Duck, rubber duck, duck, rubber duck, rubber duck, 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 rubber duck, duck, rubber duck, rubber duck, duck.
All around the world, they do the rubber duck. Whenever folks get soiled, they do the rubber duck.
Watch them splishing and a splashing. It's the very latest fashion. Take at least one buff a day, and we'll move those germs away.
Come and be a bath time bopper. Don't pull out the stopper.
And do the duck, rubber duck, duck, rubber duck, rubber duck, 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 rubber duck, duck, rubber duck, rubber duck, duck. And do the duck, rubber duck, duck, rubber duck, rubber duck, 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 rubber duck, duck, rubber duck, rubber duck, duck. And do the duck, rubber duck, duck, rubber duck, rubber duck, 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 rubber duck, duck, rubber duck. Come on.